when thick, deep mud turns from a harmless puddle into a deadly trap. Birds and farm animals face a terrifying struggle for survival. Flapping wings and frantic bleats echo as creatures sink deeper into the muck, unable to free themselves. But just in time, daring rescuers arrive, armed with ropes, boards, and unwavering determination. This is the heart-pounding world of animal mud rescues, where every second counts in the battle against nature's sticky grip. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters, of water in one go, and they can go up to 2 weeks without water. Camels' gestation period is about 13 to 14 months, usually giving birth to one calf. Their mouths can handle prickly plants that would hurt most animals. Horses have been domesticated for about 5,000 to 6,000 years and were crucial for transportation, farming, and warfare. Horses have large eyes on the sides of their heads, giving them almost 360-degree vision. Horses' hooves are made of keratin, like human nails, and need regular care called hoof trimming. Donkeys are known for their intelligence and cautious nature. They will often pause and assess situations before acting, which sometimes is mistaken for stubbornness. Donkeys belong to the species Equus africanus asinus, a domesticated member of the horse family. Donkeys are famous for their bray, a loud, distinctive hee-haw. Black bears live across Canada, the US, and parts of Mexico, more widespread than any other bear species in North America. Black bears eat both plants and animals, with a diet of berries, nuts, insects, small mammals, fish, and carrion. Black bears have great memory, navigation skills, Hippos are one of the largest land mammals. Adult males can weigh up to 3,300 pounds, 1,500 kilograms. Hippos are very territorial and can be aggressive toward humans and other animals. Usually, one calf is born, often underwater or very close to water. Black swans are strong flyers and can travel hundreds of kilometers between water sources, especially during drought. Black swans usually form lifelong pair bonds and are highly devoted partners and parents. Black swans have been introduced to New Zealand, Ostriches can run up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour. Their legs are strong enough to deliver powerful kicks that can kill predators like lions. Dust bathing. Ostriches often take dust baths to keep their feathers clean and free of parasites. They swallow pebbles and sand to help grind up food in their gizzard. Peacocks are considered symbols of immortality, royalty, and spirituality in cultures around the world, including Hinduism, Buddhism, and Christianity. Peacocks have a very loud, high-pitched call, especially during the mating season or when alarmed. Peacocks have a long train of iridescent tail feathers, called a train, used for courtship displays. Ibis birds are known for their distinctive long, downward curved beak, perfect for probing in mud and shallow water for food. Ibis are highly social and live in large flocks. They often fly in a V formation during migration to conserve energy. Ibis birds typically nest in colonies, often building platform nests in trees or reeds near water. Shoebills are found in Central and Eastern Africa, especially in swampy regions of countries like Uganda, South Sudan, Zambia, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Shoebills are very still and patient hunters, often standing motionless for hours before striking their prey. Shoebills have an impressive wingspan of up to 8 feet, 2.4 meters, helping them soar across wetlands. Flamingos come in 6 species, including the greater, lesser, Chilean, Andean, James's, and American flamingo. Flamingos are found in Africa, South America, the Caribbean, the Middle East, and parts of Europe and Asia. Flamingos often stand on one leg to conserve body heat, especially in cooler water. Flamingos come in 6 species, including the greater, lesser, Owls have fixed tubular eyes. They can't move them, but can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Owls have long legs hidden under feathers. What looks like their knees are actually ankles. Owls appear in mythology as symbols of wisdom, Greek Athena, or omens of death, Roman folklore. Some owls, like the burrowing owl, mimic rattlesnake hisses to scare off predators. Toucans are best known for their huge, colorful bills, which can be as long as half their body length. Toucans can fly, but they prefer to hop from branch to branch. Their flight is short, bouncy, and not very graceful. Toucans are known for being intelligent, curious, and sometimes even playful, especially in captivity. Toucans are best known for their huge, colorful bills. Secretary bird is a tall African raptor known for hunting snakes by stomping them to death. Secretary bird builds large nests high in trees, despite living mostly on the ground. Secretary bird belongs to the raptor family but prefers running over flying during hunts. Spoonbills are named for their spatula-shaped bill, which helps them sweep through water to catch food. Spoonbills often nest in large groups, usually with other water birds like herons or ibises. Like flamingos, some spoonbills' pinkish hues come from the carotenoids in their food. Bulls are mainly used for breeding, and in some cultures, for work or sport, like bullfighting. Bulls can be territorial and aggressive, especially around other males or during breeding season. Bulls eat grass, hay, grains, and silage, just like cows. Tigers mostly live and hunt alone, marking large territories to keep others away. Unlike most cats, tigers love water and are strong swimmers. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 2 miles, 3 kilometers away. Their stripes help them blend into the forest shadows. Tigers are endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. Zebras are about 4 to 5 feet tall at the shoulder and can weigh between 400 to 850 pounds. 180 to 385 kilograms. Zebras live in groups called herds or harems, often led by a dominant male stallion. Polar bears have dense fur and a thick layer of fat, blubber, to keep warm in freezing temperatures. Polar bears mostly live alone, except mothers with cubs or during mating season. Polar bears primarily eat seals, especially ringed and bearded seals. They can swim for hours to catch prey or travel between ice floes. Eagles are known for their incredible flying skills and can soar at altitudes over 10,000 feet, 3,000 meters. Eagles have exceptional eyesight, about 4 to 8 times sharper than humans, allowing them to spot prey from miles away. Eagles build enormous nests called eyries, or eyries, sometimes over 10 feet wide and used year after year. Reindeer can change eye color from gold in summer to blue in winter to adapt to changing light levels. Reindeer are the only deer species in which both sexes grow antlers, though females are smaller. Reindeer make one of the longest land migrations of any mammal, up to 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers, annually. This is the heart-pounding world of animal mud rescues, where every second counts in the battle against nature's sticky grip. From ducks trapped in swampy ponds to sheep immobilized in muddy fields, these dramatic rescues showcase both the fragility and resilience of animals. Rescuers wade through knee-deep sludge,